Come on, take a photo with Lola. Go, go, because Lola going home. Okay, smile.
See you next month.
See you next month. Yeah, that's right. Lainey, come on. Daddy, I'll take a photo of you, Mom. Ah. Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Me and Mom, Bobby. Hi, guys. So it is... Oh, no. It is Saturday. It is our last day here in Melbourne. And... it's currently 11 something in the morning, guys. Nag-move kami ng hotel. So we are now in the middle of the city. Yan aming hotel dyan. So we just dropped... Yeah, we just dropped our luggages. Mag-check-in kami mamaya. And now, we are going to see Ate Weng and Bernie. So makikita kami ngayon sa city, sa Emporium. Thank you. Hi. So this is Southern Cross. Bye-bye to Lola, honey girl.
Cara?
See you next month.
Cara?
See you next month. I'm going. I'll see you next month when I come to visit. Okay?
Take care, Mom. I hope you don't feel worse.
Yeah, I don't think I will.
I'll see you in a month.
Yeah, see you in a
See you
month.
next
I'll
month.
text you the dates.
Thanks for heading down.
Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. See you, Mom. Take care. We've got the tram. Dad is very happy to see him again, guys. That guy is doing the piano. Daddy loves him. Good job, Daddy. Ayan, dito na kami sa labas ng H&M. Napakabilis ng panahon, guys. My God. We're going home tomorrow, anak. Yeah. So we will spend our day today seeing friends. So this morning si Ate Weng, and then later on the afternoon, yung friend naman ni Daddy Mike. Grabe, ang tagal na din namin hindi nagkita ni Ate Weng. Since umalis kami ng Melbourne. Actually, even before that, hindi kami nagkita. You going to see Mama Weng? So Lainey? Lainey? You're going to see Mama Weng for the very first time. Oh yeah, I don't think they've seen Celine, did they? No.
I can't
Because we left. Yeah.
She doesn't know me yet. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Kumusta na?
Hey, Weng, how are you?
Not too bad. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Lynn, what really? Lynn!
Hey, you're beautiful.
Celine!
Look at
Celine,
What's
you
this?
don't know Mamu? You never met me yet, that's why. Can you kiss Mamu?
Kiss.
Oh,
Hi.
you're so pretty, ah. Ang gaganda ng mga anak mo.
Thank you, Ate. Wala si Babaloy?
No, because he's watching the people and the fins. Oh, you're so skinny too. Hello. You're so skinny, Joby.
So skinny ba? Sino pang hindi mas skinny? Itong dalawa, Ate. Carry everywhere.
I got something for you, you too.
Oh, wow! Sana, oh!
Hey, look.
So is that home? Wow!
Yeah, be careful. What do you want? Do you like logo? Paris, do you like this one?
Hello.
Do you like the one?
Oh my God!
What about you, baby girl? You like this one? You like that one?
What do you say to Mama?
Wow.
What do you say to Mama Weng?
See?
What do you say? Say thank you.
What do you like? You like this Paris?
Oh my God.
I get a lot of stuff because I didn't see you for a long time.
Oh my goodness.
And what about you, Celine?
See-
You like this one?
Si Mrs. Claus is here.
Hindi, ano lang to, Juby, kasi ano, ito na lang sa'yo,
Oh my
Juby.
God. Oh, thank you, ate.
Ano yan, gawan Thailand. Binili ko sa ano, kaibigan ko. Yeah, you got the thing there, I get from Paris. I get the one from Paris.
Oh, thank
Because
you,
you got,
Papa. Oh,
you got the name there,
oh my
Paris.
goodness, that is so cute.
Yan.
Wow.
Tayo ay,
Te, thank you, te.
welcome. Si Mike lang ang wala. Hayaan mo na si Mike.
Ayan, wala. Oh my God, look at,
Yes.
look at this. Oh my God, you feel like the little.
You like this one or you can swap if you want.
Well,
You like that one?
she'll take, very, ano to siya eh.
You want or not?
Oh, this is so cute. I can have this.
Meron yan, ano, nilagyan ko yan ng, alam mo
can
yung
have
ko sa Paris, so.
got?
Oh, yeah, cute.
Oo,
so
may
cute.
pangalan yung Paris.
What have you got?
Cute.
Paris.
That's for you, ate. Kay may Paris talaga.
Oh, yeah, the name. I get that one from Paris.
So that was that one.
You like that one? Okay, you can have that one.
I
then,
know
ate.
mine.
Wow.
Ate, I've got something for you. Ano, hindi ko na binag.
Bakit ka you don't have to be abala-abala pa.
No, it's alright. It's for
It's
you.
so cute.
In
It's
my-
look like a,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like a baby.
Yeah, it's like thing. Strap.
Tama-tama tong regalo mo sa birthday ko.
Kailan ba mo?
The 26, di ba?
Ah, August.
Yeah, 26.
birthday?
26
Oh,
is my
wow.
birthday.
Ano, 18 ka na, te?
Oo.
18, oh, wow. Never gets old.
Hala, never get old. Mag-50 na kaya ako, Juby.
Oh my God.
50 na.
Really?
Oo. 50 na ako sa ano.
Oh my God.
I'm turning 50 na, Mike. Yan na 20.
This is so
26.
cute.
Halfway.
I'll sit next to Kuan na ate Wayne. Because we haven't seen each other for so long.
Yeah, oo. Oo, it's long
Move a
time.
little bit, TV.
Ayan. Move a little bit, baby girl.
Lenny,
Palingling.
this way.
So I'm gonna sit with Ate Wing because
Yeah, because we didn't
we
see other-
yes. This is my Ate Wing, guys. My one and only Ate Wing in Melbourne.
Yan. Ang taba ko, Juby. Meron ako kasi mag-edad na.
Just go.
Hello mga darling. So welcome to my reel. So here's my beautiful Juby. Parang panganay kong anak. Ayan. Galing sila sa Queensland. So nagpasyal sila din sa Melbourne. So nag-meet kami dito. Kay, matagal na kami din nagkikita. It's long time. We didn't see each other. How long na, Juby? It's,
We moved.
What's my
ganda ni Juby.
We moved to Queensland 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
Yeah,
3 years ago.
hindi tayo
we
nagkita.
didn't see
I love
each
it.
other.
For that.
Celine?
So mga 3.5.
So kasama niya ang kanyang mga baby. Pero paano ko ito ano, Judy? Paano ba man reverse ng camera? Ano pa itong camera ko? Hindi ko alam i-reverse. Ba't wala dito, Judy? Dati mayroon yan eh, yung
Put it
reverse.
in.
Bakit hindi ko ma-reverse?
Hindi ko alam to. Anong phone to, T?
Simple 4, yung Samsung.
Ay, wala sa bundok namin yan, T.
Like this, Celine?
I-reverse. Ay, ano ko na lang.
Celine, like this.
Tapos paano ko, ayan, ganun pala yung reverse.
Oh, do you want me to help?
Paris, say hello, guys. Hello. I know you like social media, Paris, because
We're getting food from Thailand.
wala gusto mo baby. Parang hindi ko lang ng ano. Di ba magpatay sila dito?
Oh, yeah.
Ano yan, seafood patay?
I think you can choose one.
I think I have a look. Okay, can I have one plate? One for me and one lemon tea for me.
We got some bumbue, tom yum fried rice for daddy, and got chicken for the kids. Here you go, my love. Here's your noodles.
Yeah.
Oh, no. And then, what's gonna happen if you lose your tooth? That look good.
When I lost my teeth, I think I looked good.
Oh, see?
Now I have an eyeball that's
Oh, yeah. But now, your teeth is very nice now. See? It's complete now. Yeah. That's
How about yours, Lini?
Don't it, Celine, punch your mouth, Otherwise,
Show Mamo your teeth.
let me say, Celine. Celine. Ito yung bato sa plada ko eh.
Maldita na siya.
You like it, but not the back. It's
Panhuton.
pang malaki naman ang gusto. Ba't hindi pang bata?
This one.
You like that one too, but it's not for you. That's for the adults. Hello. Say hello, Paris. Hello. Me in Paris here with Mamu.
Shopping.
Hold. Be careful.
Tingin-tingin kami sa mga shops. This white, ito te.
Ayan o.
Yan. Ate Wing wants to go to Portman's. Si Daddy Mike ay dinala si Celine guys kasi si Celine is sleeping. So, kailangan nilang maglakad-lakad.
Like that one.
That's nice dress, Teo. That's a nice one. Here's my outfit of the day, guys. And then,
You like them?
oh yeah, this one is nice, T.
Alin ito?
Yeah, that one's nice. You get the size.
Size 10 I think.
May pa-shopping si Mamo.
What about the dog? You like it?
What are you gonna do with your dog, Baba?
What about this with the comb?
Okay na yun, T. Ang the one, is that the one you like, honey?
This one and the bubble tea? Yeah.
I gotta do my makeup when we get out.
Huh?
I gotta do my makeup when we get out.
Yeah, no, Mamo is paying for you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Will you say thank you, huh? May pa-shopping spree si Mamo.
Welcome. Kiss mo ko pa. Kiss mo. Parang ito, Juby. Ito na lang sa akin yung sa baso.
Ice? Ice?
Ice matcha latte.
Sarap ba the milk?
Yung milk niya,
Skim milk,
soy milk. Kasi nakakatabang soy milk. Parang gusto ko lang ito, Judy na lang. Nag-change mind na ako. Yung sa baso lang, yung matcha tea.
Yun lang? Yun lang siya?
Kasi naano ko, Judy, baka magka-diabetic ako eh. Ano bang mga nandyan pa?
Morning bun. Oh, I love this. I have
Ano yan?
almond croissant.
Almond ko, ayaw ko yan.
We're doing these wrestle nails, and they're actually doing well. I already did one of my hands, Shavens.
That's like a Byenan, Melbourne. Right in the middle. Can Mama help? Can Mama help? Very sticky.
I don't want to break it. Judy, how do you open it? Because I don't want to break it.
Look, these things.
Silin wants to do it first. So. Ganun yung ginagawa nila. Oo. Gising na si Inday. She was sleeping before.
The one is not the same, yeah? But it look nice, the same, yeah?
Careful, Celine.
Yeah, it's look nice.
Careful, careful.
Thank you.
Yeah, so, yeah, what's happening in there?
Not funny.
That's not funny. Can I see? I'm not funny.
Sure. So, I like the tart. You wanna eat the tart? The tart. Yeah, eat the tart.
Yan, yan, yan.
Second Paris na lang yung tart.
You don't want it anymore?
What about Mike? What you having?
Pull from the right.
Look at the cars. Look, see? Say hi, cars. Katakot ah. Anak, stay here lang, B.
Nalaglag.
Yun nga nakakot. So, ito na nga, guys. Every time na may hello, talagang may goodbye na susunod. So, Ate Weng. Thank you for your precious time.
Thank you din for visit me here in Melbourne.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'll wait for you in Brisbane.
Oh, I will soon, yeah.
Soon.
Yeah, hopefully soon, yeah. Hopefully this year. Pag may bakasyon sa work.
Yeah, no.
Alam niyo naman, work pa more.
Pinakamayaman sa Melbourne ito.
I wish.
Actually guys, my YouTube si Ate Weng. Lagay ko sa sa screen yung YouTube name ni Ate Weng.
Kasi hindi pa ako magaling mag-YouTube, mga darling. Hindi pa ako magaling mag-vlog. So, kasi hindi ako gaano concentrate kasi. But, one day.
Yeah,
Kasi,
but you have already videos. You already have videos. Mga pang siya, pang malakasan lang po siya ng mga mga haul, mga sosyalan.
Oo, kasi alam mo naman ang YouTube, different from the real.
Yeah.
So, yun, mga darling.
Say hi to Bernie to us.
So, I will.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, follow niyo rin sa Ate Weng sa kanyang mga reels. Reels sa Facebook.
Oo, Maria Subang.
Lagay ko sa yung
Maria Subang in Alinga yung my page. Facebook page.
may page ka rin? Ikaw na talaga. Ikaw na talaga ang may
Siyempre, lahat na yan, Julie. Pakyawin na natin ang mga social media platform.
This is our house for tonight.
Wow. Yes, it is. This is Master, isn't it, Mummy?
Okay. Wow, it's pretty cool, eh?
Oh, look at
This is more, fancy. And that's just that's a main road.
Have a look. Yeah, TV.
So, si Daddy Mike, guys, gusto niyang mag-stay sa nicer hotel na last day here in Melbourne. Oopsie daisy. So, binook niya to, and Southern Cross Station is just across the road. But it's super fancy here, guys. Nice.
Mama's milk.
Of course there's wow, 1 inch.
There.
That is
1 inch.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Stop fighting. Like, just play. Lean.
Open. Oh, there's no straw, man. Is there a straw there? Look?
Mom, the muffin might have some coffee.
Yes, clock, honey.
Yeah. That's for us.
Do you want milk in here, or you just drink from the?
Actually, I just want to find
Yeah.
this.
We'll do a quick tour, guys. Hi.
Hey, welcome to my crib.
Can you show me around?
Sure. We'll go this way first.
Oh, well, actually, first we'll have a look at this mirror near the door. So that's our outfit for today.
All right.
And Daddy will show us the rest of the room.
This is a hallway which leads into the sleeping space and living space, and as you can see, we have a pretty cool feature wall here. You know, fitting in with the Melbourne artistic and cultural vibe. Built-in wall TV unit and a large window facing what I believe to be Spencer Street and one of Melbourne's famous landmarks. Beautiful. You go first. My clothes.
You want to teach you to draw a love heart?
Electric. Open. Want to keep it open. This is a nice sunny day.
And the girls made a mess already. Look, their toys. Someone's drinking milk there. We got 2 double beds, yeah? This is really cool.
Bathroom and restroom. I've also got a bit of closet space here. Hanging jacket, still a bit of ironing.
And this one is for the luggage, yeah?
And
The luggage yung lagyan na namin ng sapatos.
follow in, and this is the
Oh,
bathroom.
yeah.
Sorry, it's the bathroom. Sorry.
It's a shower. Meron pa sa ganyan. And this is what's happening here. Bongga sila. Maganda na yung lighting dito. B, Aura, back. Nice. Very Lux
I go
effect.
for that, yeah.
Do you like it, Healing? Do you like your new house? Do you like your new house?
Yes.
Good girl.
Mommy. Come here. That's enough.
Yeah? Show me, come here. Come on, say cheese. Say cheese.
Cheese!
Say cheese.